I'm in my math class trying to factor all of the nomials I just learned. Adding, subtracting, I won't get it wrong. Let's work to get an A for the term. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember standard form and degrees. It's even harder to multiply when Mr. not here next to me. But it's not too late to learn it. We'll just break down the words. So grab a pencil and paper. These are all polynomials. Just look at this one. Its degree is 4, but if you have 2, its degree must be more. When we have 2 or 3 terms added together, you'd have a trinomial. I'm in my math class trying to combine terms. Line up the polynomials in standard form. Add or subtract coefficients with the same variable components. Simplify, then you'll finally learn. So what happens if you wanna multiply? Even with monomials and tries, you just have to double distribute one to the next. Or you could just FOIL if you think that's best. Oh, you just have to remember first, outer, inner, last. But if you have a square binomial, do this and you'll get it done fast. You have to distribute the power, then multiply the factors by 2. The sum of all those together is what you get when you simplify. Now if you have a term subtracted by a square, you have to say, aha, that's the difference of squares. And in case of a perfect square trinomial, do the same thing you did there. I'm in my math class, I've learned so much now. All of my time spent factoring terms. And special cases, we're halfway done here. Just have a few more things left to learn. I just have to factor trinomials in the form x squared plus bx plus c. But in order to do that, I have to know all of my vectors indefinitely. Now I'm factoring trinomials. Yeah, you have to find factors of c that evidently add up to b, and then you put them into parentheses. Just gotta guess and check and you'll finally see. Math class, don't wanna guess and check. How about we factor by grouping? You start out the same way, factors of c that add up to b. Now we're also adding a. For a trinomial, multiply a and c. Find the factors that add up to b. Factor out GCF, put in parentheses. Do the same for 4-term polynomials. I'm still in my math class.
So